Okay, my last video, I think I forgot to show you something. I need to show you how to make these things bold. So I highlight them. Let me highlight them again. And I click on this B, and now they are bold. Now Wednesday, I got it. Okay, so I highlight them and I click on the B. Now let's take it off of bold. Okay, now I also want to underline them. So I'm going to click on the U. And now they are underlined, bold and underlined. And if I want to stop it from being underlined, I click on this again. I can also do italics. So once again, you highlight, click the B, or click the U to underline it. It's right here in the ribbon on the Home tab. Now I have a question for you. Where are the buttons to change the text? And how do I make the text bigger? And how do you make the columns and rows bigger? So let me give you a couple of minutes to think about that question and come back when you have answered it. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the answer is right here. How do we change the buttons to change where are the buttons to change the text? In the ribbon. How can I make the text bigger? Highlight the text and make the font size number larger. And how do you make the columns and rows bigger? Click and hold the side of the column or row. Okay, I have some handouts for you, but before you do the all right, here we go. Here's the question. How do you underline text? How do you make text bold? And how do you remove or underline bold? Take a minute to answer that to yourself, and then I'm going to demonstrate. All right, to underlines, here we have Rolando's name, so I'm going to highlight it. And then to underline, what would I say first? Bold. Here's the answer. I click on the B. Now it becomes bold. And to underline, I click on the U, and now it is underlined. And I undo it by I click on U again, and it's underlined. I go to B, and I click on B again, and it's undid, if that's a word. So I click on there to do it, and then clicked on that to undo it. Okay, I have an assignment for you. I want you to open Excel, click blank workbook, type your names, you and a partner. We'll do this with a partner. Change the font size to 16, bold the text, underline the text, make the columns and rows bigger. Okay, so please do that, and please show it to me when you are finished. I also have a question for you. Let me bring this up. Here's the school store chart. Look at these words. How are the words on the top on row 1 different? Please answer that to yourself. And then I want you to copy this onto a spreadsheet and do all of the same formatting. Make the top row bold, underline, and the font size 16. Now I have another assignment for you. Now I want you to type your own schedules into this. I want you to make the same spreadsheet, and I want you to type your own schedules into this. And please show it to me when you are finished. And please do this with a partner. That will make it easier, and you can learn from each other. Okay, I'd like to leave you with one final question, and I want you to discuss this with a partner. What are 3 ways you can format text to show, I have a stutter, to show it is important? So think about that and answer that with a question. 3 ways. What are 3 ways? And here, you can pause it now because I'm going to give you the answer. You can bold, highlight, not highlight, my mistake, underline. What was the last one? I know that you can write it with a bigger font. Those are the 3 ways you can make it stand out. underline, and bigger font.